Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to start page number ladder. So as example, I will create new page by using enter option, and to create page number I will click in the bottom here, double click. You can go to page number, bottom of page, and I will use line number 3. So we have this page number 1, 2, 3, and then 4. If you want to create star page number in this page, in page 3, you can use the section break. Like example, I will move into end of the page to paragraph. Go to layout, click on break, and then use next page. So the next page will be set into number 1 by double clicking, and then right click, go to format page number. You can set start at 1. Click OK, and it will be change the start page number into 1. You can see in here 1, 2, and page 3 set into 1 again. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to start page number ladder. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.